Okay, so now let us put it all together. So yung una nating inassemble is yung frame. Una nating fabricate yung frame assembly. Tapos sumunod itong fabricate natin itong pulverizer assembly. And then yung lower housing, ito. Tapos yung upper housing. And then finally, itong powertrain. Actually, itong powertrain, you don't need to fabricate this. All you have to do is to put it all together. Okay, so in-arrange ko na siya in such a way na magkakasunod na yan. So the first is, itong lower housing, ipapatong natin yan dito sa ibabaw noong frame assembly. Okay, dun sa upper horizontal frame, which is ito. Okay? So, patong na natin siya. Ayan. So, i-screw mo yan dyan. Next, lalagay na natin yung pulverizer assembly. Ito, pulverizer assembly. Okay, so yan na siya. So itong pillow block, meron siyang screw. I-screw mo lang yan dito sa upper horizontal frame. Ito. Okay? Yan. Next, tatakpan na natin siya ngayon. Ito, yung upper housing. Ayan na. So, ang magko-connect dito sa upper housing tsaka lower housing is yung mga bisagra nila or yung mga hinges. And then, finally, ikakabit na natin yung powertrain. Okay, so first, sa powertrain, ikabit natin yung makina dito sa may engine support. Yung engine support, yung or yung motor support pala. Ito yung 2x2 GS square tube motor support. Diyan natin ipapatong itong motor. Yan. Next is kabit na natin yung smaller pulley sa motor. Tapos yung larger pulley dito sa ayan, axle nung pulverizer. And then finally, you just connect the belt or install the belt. And then you just turn on the motor and it will start crashing. Tapos, once na umaandar na yung motor, itra-transmit niya ngayon yung power dito sa smaller pulley, which will turn the V-belt, which will turn now the larger pulley na nakakabit dito sa axle ng pulverizer. Ngayon, iikot na yung ano sa loob. yung chain, yung pulverizer assembly. And then, that's the time na i-shoot mo na dito yung mga glass particles. Okay? Tapos, pwede mo na siyang i-cover para walang lalabas na glass particles for safety reasons. And then, yung broken or crushed glass particles, dadaan siya dun sa screen. Okay? Pag kasya na siya sa screen, lalabas na siya dito sa chute. Yan. Babagsak na siya dito. Dito ka na maglagay ngayon ng collecting basin, which is not shown. Okay, so that's it. So that is the completed fabrication of the waste glass pulverizer machine. So thank you very much. I hope you enjoy the show.